what is up? Today we're gonna be going to this local abandoned park, and me and Steve are gonna try to drift it. He's gonna bring his R32, I'm bring my E46. Nah, but basically I have no tread on my tires at all, so 50-50 I lose a tire, and I have no spares either, so we'll see what happens. The spot's pretty sus, and they keep blocking it off, so we gotta make a new path over the dirt and the curbs and shit, so we're gonna bring some brooms and some shovels and shit.
Thank you.
I got this. Buddy thinks he's low or something, I guess.
What the fuck is up, YouTube? Alright, we going?
Alright, we just got to the spot. I'll give you a little walk around. So I think we're gonna come in through here, and then we gotta get all the way to over here. This is a curb right here, but they added this little dirt section. Okay, so there's the spot. You come down here, there's a little roundabout. You can go in the dirt, so we might just have to clean it up and get in there. Okay, once you get to the top of that, you're in this little valley. There's just kind of like a rectangular parking lot. Glass everywhere.
Hello? Oh, what the fuck?
Holy fuck.
Oh, someone was partying up in this bitch.
Alright, well I think we're just gonna sweep up some of the area so we can just drive through. Ooh, that's great. Yeah. Probably the easiest one to get to. Oh yeah. Go, go. Yeah. Easy. All right, we got both of the whips up here. There's a lot of glass and rocks on this little section, so we're just gonna sweep that up and then we'll get to some clips. I actually can't find my camera batteries, so I'm gonna have to film the rest of the video on my phone. I have my GoPro with me, so I might film with that instead, but I'm gonna see which one looks better, and then the rest of the video will probably be on that. Yeah. All right, I switched to the GoPro. Not sure how the settings are on this thing really, so hopefully it looks good. Steve's gonna get in there and slide it. Steve's only on like day 2 of sliding.
Yeah,
So this is gonna be some good practice for him.
See how this goes.
Buddy's a little nervous, eh?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous how the glass will curve.
roundabout somewhat cleaned up. That section over there is pretty fucked either way. Big ass pothole, but I'm gonna go grab my car and then we'll just send it. I don't got much tires left, so hopefully they last.
Here.
Holy fuck! No, dude, it's so mint.